Working with chemicals? Then you must understand safety data sheets. It's not just paperwork, it's your first line of defense. An SDS is a document that tells you everything about a chemical. What it is, how dangerous it can be, how to handle it safely, and what to do in an emergency. Each sheet follows a standard 16-section format for clarity. Focus on these critical parts. Section 2, Hazards Identification. Section 4, First Aid Measures. Section 8, Exposure Controls and PPE. Section 6, Accidental Release Measures. They're your quick guides to staying safe. Before you even open a chemical, read the SDS. Label everything clearly. Use proper PPE. Know where the eye wash and emergency shower are. Preparation prevents accidents. Know the sheet, respect the chemical, protect the team. Safety starts with understanding, not guessing.